Shenzhen Yuxunda Electronics Co Limited was established in 2003. It is a professional manufacturer integrating the development, production, and marketing of digital printers, sublimation machines, and consumables. With the rapid development of Yuxunda Company, we established Shenzhen Sunthinks Technology Co Limited. And with its strong technical strength and independent intellectual property rights, we are committed to the research and development and production of printers. Our products are single-pass carton printers, single-pass UV printers, UV flatbed printers, DTF printers, DTG printers, heat press machines, printer accessories, and printer consumables. Both OEM and ODM services are supported, committed to providing customers with one-stop service. In particular, our single-pass printer is affectionately called the top one among Chinese single-pass printing equipment by our customers. All our products have spread around the world, which is enjoying highly reputation owing to the competitive prices, excellent quality, and trusted services. We are always standing on the principle of satisfying the customers, pursuing scientific administration, and superior quality, by using the latest technology to produce simple, personalized, and environment-friendly products. During the past 21 years, we insist on the operation principle of producing at best quality, trading in thorough honesty. Our superior products, quality, and excellent skilled service have gained consistent high praise by consumers. We look forward to cooperating with you with the most sincere attitude. Welcome to contact us at any time.